Chinese cuisine, 10 must-try dishes you can't miss. Hello and welcome to Smart English Start. This is your go-to channel for learning English while exploring the world. In this special series, we're traveling across the globe to discover must-try foods from different countries. Today, we're starting in China, a country with an incredibly diverse food culture. We'll explore some of the most famous and delicious Chinese dishes that you absolutely need to try. Theme 1, the essence of Chinese cuisine. Chinese cuisine is one of the most diverse and influential in the world. From spicy Sichuan dishes to dim sum from Guangzhou, China's food culture is deeply rooted in history. One of the key features of Chinese cooking is the balance of flavors: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. Ingredients like soy sauce, ginger, garlic, and Sichuan peppercorns bring out these complex tastes. Another essential aspect is texture. Chinese food is famous for its crispy, tender, and chewy elements. Now let's explore some of the must-try dishes when visiting China. Theme 2, famous Chinese dishes and where to eat them. Peking Duck. This legendary dish from Beijing features crispy roasted duck with a juicy interior, served with thin pancakes, scallions, and hoisin sauce. The best places to try it are Quanzhou and Bianyifang in Beijing. Xiaolongbao, soup dumplings. These juicy dumplings filled with hot broth and pork are a must-try in Shanghai. Din Tai Fung is a world-famous spot to enjoy them. Dim sum. A delightful assortment of dumplings, buns, and rolls best enjoyed in Cantonese restaurants. The best dim sum can be found in Guangzhou. Hot pot. A fun and interactive meal where you cook fresh meat, seafood, and vegetables in a simmering broth. The spiciest and most authentic hot pot can be found in Chengdu, Sichuan. Mapo Tofu. This bold and spicy Sichuan dish combines silky tofu with a numbing chili sauce. It's best enjoyed in Chengdu, the heart of Sichuan cuisine. Kung Pao chicken, a perfect balance of spicy, sweet, and savory. This dish features stir-fried chicken, peanuts, and Sichuan peppercorns. It's found throughout China, but is a must-try in Sichuan province. Char Siu, BBQ Pork. A Cantonese specialty, this sweet and savory roasted pork is glazed to perfection. The best Char Siu can be found in traditional barbecue shops in southern China. Zha Jiang Mian. This comforting Beijing-style noodle dish is topped with a rich and savory soybean paste sauce. It's a local favorite in Beijing. Stinky tofu, a pungent yet flavorful fermented tofu dish, it's a street food favorite. Hainanese Chicken Rice. Originally from Hainan but famous in southern China, this dish features tender poached chicken served with aromatic rice and flavorful dipping sauces. Each of these dishes represents a unique part of China's vast culinary culture. No matter where you go, there's always something delicious to try. Theme 3, travel tips for food lovers. Visit local food streets like Wangfujing Snack Street in Beijing and Yongkang Street in Shanghai for an authentic food experience. Be adventurous, try local delicacies, even the ones with strong flavors like stinky tofu. When ordering, pointing at pictures on the menu can be helpful if you're not fluent in Mandarin. If you love spice, head to Sichuan province for the best numbing and spicy dishes. Many Chinese dishes are meant to be shared, so dining with friends is a great way to try multiple dishes at once. Let's learn English through food. Great food is a reason to travel, and learning English can make that experience even better. If you ever visit China, don't miss the chance to try these amazing dishes. They tell a story of history, culture, and incredible flavors. And remember, the more you explore, the more you learn. So keep improving your English and get ready for your next food adventure. See you in the next episode, where we'll explore Korea's spicy and delicious kimchi jjigae and other must-try dishes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow food lovers.